Look how awesome that is! Batman! We're start up with our 3-layer cake. Add a nice circle of your frosting around the outside. And then in the middle, we're gonna add preserves. Then we're gonna repeat that step. We put the frosting on the outside so it helps keep in all of our preserves, so it doesn't come squishy now. Make your circle. Add your preserves. Take your time. Smooth it nice and evenly. Smooth it all around. Add on your final layer. Now we're gonna do the sides. Pipe that frosting up the sides and on top. Creamy, creamy frosting. Remember, make sure you apply it super smooth. Be careful you don't take out any layers of the cake while you do it. Smooth it on the sides and the top. Nice, neat, and evenly. All right, now we're gonna take our fondant and make a Batman head. Watch the video carefully. Eyebrow shaping for Batman. Help use the pastry cutter. It'll make your job easier. Watch the video super carefully. If you need to, watch the video and then rewind and watch it again. Wow, look how it's coming together. Starting to look like a Batman mask. Now we're gonna add some eyes for texture. The white really makes the eyes pop right out. Make sure they're nice and in there, nice and evenly. Now we're gonna make the chin. You can roll it out, fit it in there, and then stretch it to match. Almost done. Can't forget the Batman ears. We're gonna use some toothpicks so they don't fall off his head. We're rolling out a big piece of fondant. We're gonna put it on top of the cake. All right, you remember this part. Put it on, smooth it in, take your time. Make sure you stretch out all the wrinkles. Go super carefully. You can use your little cake irons. Get it nice and smooth. Now we're taking our pizza cutter and cutting off the extra. Pull away carefully. Okay, now you have to be super careful, so pay really close attention here. We're gonna cut an opening. Carefully gonna peel it back. Be super careful you don't break the cake. Batman's head fits right in the middle, like he's popping right out of the cake. Now we're gonna make an awesome city skyline. It's gonna look so awesome on the cake. Just make some fun building shapes. It's gonna look awesome. Cut them out nice and carefully. Guess what? We need stars. And windows. Cut your yellow into strips, and then we're going to cut them into little squares. Use your glue and just place them randomly so they look like little lights are on inside the buildings. We'll make a perfect night skyline. And it wouldn't be a Batman cake without our Batman symbol. Use a template. Cut nice and carefully. Remember, don't cut your fingers. Now we're gonna add a yellow layer on top of our black layer. Oh, look how awesome that looks together. Now we're gonna make our bat symbol. Remember, trace it first, and then cut it out carefully.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Add a little glue and stick our Batman.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Now we're gonna make our super starry sky. Make it super sparkly. Time to assemble. Add some glue and stick on your skyline. Add your stars all over the top.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin
Can't forget your bat
Man?
symbol
On Drury Lane.
and all your awesome stars.